What's up, fam? So today's video I am so excited for. It is a collab with Amy Lynn, and she is just so awesome, and I am so grateful and thankful that she agreed to do this collab with me. So let me just give you a quick story of what happened, because I've never done a collab before, and I had never really thought about it because I'm like, who would want to collab with me? Because I hardly, I don't have that many subscribers. So I contacted her and I was like, hey, I would love to do a collab. And I was so nervous and unprepared. And that is very uncharacteristic of me, because I'm usually so super prepared for things, like over prepared. But I think I wanted to contact her before I lost my courage to do it, because I was still like, she's gonna say no. Like, why would she want to collab with me? And so I asked her and she said yes, and I was like in shock. And she's like, what do you want to collab on? I'm like, I haven't even thought about it, because I didn't even think that, you would say yes. But she is so sweet, and I will put her channel in my description, and please check out her video. So when she asked me what we wanted to do, I was like, I don't know. So I was like trying to think of things real quickly, and I was like, wait, Valentine's Day is coming up. Like, let's do something for Valentine's Day. Like, because, this is my first Valentine's Day on YouTube, and we're doing a first date look and a smoky eye look. So this is my smoky eye look. It is a matte brown smoky eye, really easy to recreate, with a bold red lip, because I just think that this is so like classic of Valentine's Day, seductive and sexy, and I just love a bold red lip. This is gonna be an awesome look to rock on Valentine's Day, or anytime you just want to look super glam, and I love it. I am obsessed with this look. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. That's kind of narcissistic, but anyways, I am going to get into the tutorial and stop talking so much. So let's get started. What's up, guys? So we're going to start with the eyes, just because I always start with the eyes, but if you prefer to do your face first, then do that first. And also something I want to just point out, because when I first started, really getting into makeup and like more detailed eye looks, I would watch YouTube tutorials, I thought that I needed like the exact colors that that person was using to recreate the look. And now that I've been doing it for longer, I can honestly say, like, it doesn't, if it's a similar shade, it will turn out the same way. So don't think you have to have these exact same colors to recreate this makeup look. Brown smoky eye. So browns, oranges, then you're good. And almost any eyeshadow palette has these colors. So use whatever you got, girl, and we're gonna make it work. So I've already done my brows and I've already primed my eyes. So we're gonna get right into the look. The first, I'm gonna use a transition color first, and that's gonna help any shadow we put over top of that to blend out much easier. So you're just gonna wanna use some sort of eyeshadow that is similar to your skin tone. I'm also going to be using this HUDA Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this one right here, which is Eden. This one's just a little deeper of like a pale orange, and I really love it. But so I'm going to be using Blazing, or use any orange you have. I was going to use this Kat Von D palette, it has orange in it. I'm going to be using another blending brush that's just a little more tapered than the first one I used. And we're just going to put this into our crease as well. And we're going to be going from inner corner to outer corner and blow this out as much as possible because this is going to be a... And we're going to be packing amber, which is that warm tone brown, which is beautiful, and putting that on the outer third of our eyes. And then once you do that, you're gonna take the brush we were just using before, and I'm gonna take some more of that Eden, that light orange, and blend it out. And this is just going to help, you know, get rid of any patchiness and make it look really smooth and blended. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with Saffron, which is kind of like this maroon cranberry with a hint of brown in it, which I love. And we're gonna use the same brush and just go in the outer, like 1/3. Not the entire area, we just went in with that brown, but the outer corner. And then drag it in just a tiny, tiny bit. But mostly I'm just like patting it. Take that brush we were using again before and blend that out. Okay, so lastly, well, we're gonna take a pencil brush or any smaller brush you have, and we're gonna go in with a deep chocolate brown. I don't think I'm gonna say it right. Oud, O-U-D. I thought it was a Q at first. And we're just gonna put this in the very, very corner. Oh, that was wrong. We're just gonna blend that out, kind of like, and that'll give it a cat eye effect. If you screw up, just find a way to make it work. I used to be like so hard on myself. When I first started getting into makeup and trying to do more advanced looks, I would get so frustrated. I would just sit and practice and practice. I would do like one look on one eye and then another look on another eye to like kind of try out different combinations and see, you know, try out different looks. And it was just, I loved it so much because it allowed me to be creative. But when I first started, I was like, how do these people know what colors to put together and how, you know? And I was like, I'll never be at that point where I'll just, you know how to do all these looks. And lo and behold, here I am doing a tutorial for other people. I never thought that would happen in a million years. So now I am going to highlight the brow bone. I usually do a shimmery, but I think I'm gonna do matte. I think this is gonna be like an all matte brown smoky look. So I'm gonna take this pale, like beige from this Kat Von D, like mini Shade and Light eye palette, and that is what I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. Okay, so now for the lid, I am going to be using this MERCIER Caviar Stick Eye Color in All Naturale. But it is a matte, like dark beige that I have really been loving. So that's what we're gonna put on our lids. And I love these because they are so easy. They are very creamy. They go on so smoothly. And you know, it's just a really easy way to kind of elevate any eye look. Okay, so before we're done with the eye look, I'm going to take the pencil brush we just used with the same dark brown and go in the outer corner again, and then blend it in with the cream eyeshadow we just put on, so you can't see any distinct line between the two, so they just mesh together nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some dark brown eyeliner. I'm going to be taking this RODIAL Smoky Eye Pen in brown and putting that all over my upper and lower lashes. E37 tiny precision pencil brush, and taking the last eyeshadow, the dark brown, and we're gonna blend out that eyeliner. Or, you know, you can also just use a dark brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner if you want to make your life a little easier. Okay, so now we're going to be taking this E36 and the Mary Luminizer by the Balm highlighter, and we're going to be putting that in our inner corner to kind of open the eyes up more, since this is a smoky look. We don't want to make our eyes seem too closed off, and putting, you know, a light color in your inner corner. Just do it. You'll thank me later. So now we're going to be going on our lower lash line real quick. We're going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to be going in with, let's do Saffron. Alright, ooh, this is looking so sexy. Go Natalie, go Natalie. It's your birthday. I'm a little crazy. Okay, wipe off any excess, and we're good to go with the eyeshadow. I'm going to throw on some mascara. Okay fam, so I put lashes on. I used the Velour lashes in Fluff and Wispy, which I am obsessed with. They are so extra though, so it's like when I go into something, like I go in hard. Like I went to the dark side and started wearing lashes, but it did not take me long at all to go for the most freaking extra lashes there were. So we're gonna do the lip, and so this collaboration is actually 2 looks. So it's gonna be this, a smoky look, and then also a first date look. So the first date look, I want to do more of like a feminine, girly, you know, pinks, a pink lip, and pinks and purples for the eye. And this, I want it to be a more like sexy and smoky and seductive look. And so I want to do a red lip. And since red is the color of love and passion and desire, I think it's very appropriate. And it's also a fact that women who wear red lipstick are perceived as more confident. So, and even though Valentine's Day is about love and don't forget that the most important love is self-love. And it took me a long time to realize that, but in the words of RuPaul, if you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love anyone else? And that is so true. Anyways, back to the makeup. So another reason I want to use red is because I have been wanting to use this Yves Saint Laurent Tatouage Couture matte stain because this color is amazing. I got it in a Sephora Beauty Insider point gift. It's like a 500 point gift with a couple other lip products. There's more, but I have been wanting to try this. So the liner, I'm going to be using this NYX retractable lip liner in Ruby. Okay, I can hardly see that, but now let's go in with the liquid lip. Oh my god. That applied very nicely. This is my first time trying this product and I am loving it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and then this is also kind of my outfit. Like I wore this on a date the other night and I think it was super cute. It's actually been cold in Florida, believe it or not. It was like 40 something degrees the other night. It's only about 60 now, but so I'm not used to having to pick out outfits that are for colder weather. So I think I did a good job of picking out like a kind of sexy cold weather look. This is like a little wrap, but it has pockets and a little shawl type thing. I am loving it. Like it's so adorable. So let me zoom you in. Okay guys, so that is the look, and I hope you guys really enjoy this, and let me know in the comments what you think, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I am so excited to be doing this collab. It's not even funny. So I will see you guys in my other tutorial, which is going to be a feminine look. Alright guys, I'll see you later.